Hey guys, happy Saturday. Jeff coming to you. Going to be hitting an open house today. Love doing these open houses on Saturday. Get to see what the product is out there in our marketplace. So let's go in. This is a modern home. It's brand new construction. This is in Atlanta. It's actually just south of Buckhead. So I'm going to go in and preview it today, and I'm going to come back on here just a few minutes and tell you guys a little bit about it. But let's go check it out. All right, guys, that was a pretty cool home, right? Well, it was 5,400 square feet, very modern, great upgrades and appliances, listed for 1.5 million. It's here in Atlanta. I'll list all the details below. If you guys are interested in it, please give me a shout. My contact information is down there. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also email me at jeff@jeffreybeal.com. Thanks, guys. We're on to the next house. Have a great afternoon.